Hello friends, have a nice day. This is Professor Dr. G.S. Vajire from Department of Electronics, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Friends, we are discussing about Unit 2nd whose main title is Optical Fiber Communication System, and today's subtopic is Construction and Characteristics of Optical Fibers. Friends, already we have discussed that the optical fiber carry the information signal in the form of light and of course with the speed of light. Optical fiber communication has changed and created revolution in the field of telecommunication. As you might know that a single optical fiber is just the size of human hairs. An optical fiber cable is constructed of hundreds of optical fiber strands in a single housing or in a single case. Here, try to concentrate on this upper diagram. The optical fiber consists of these three parts. First is core, second is cladding, and third it is buffer coating. The actual information signal passes to this inner part, which is called as core. This core is surrounded by the cladding layer, and again this cladding layer is surrounded by this buffer coating. Out of these three parts, actual core and cladding, these are the essential parts, and this third part, that means buffer coating, it provides the mechanical strength and security to this optical fiber. Here, this core and cladding, these are the glass or plastic materials with good and appropriate optical properties, whereas this next part, which is called as buffer, it is a plastic material which provides mechanical protection and strength to this overall optical fiber cable. If you concentrate on this lower figure, then it is seen that in this structure, along with this core, cladding and coating parts, there are two additional parts. Which of them? First is taken as strengthening fibers, which is used to provide the proper strength to this optical fiber, and that strengthening fiber, it is surrounded or it is covered by this cable jacket. Again, this provides additional security or additional protection to this overall optical fiber cable. In this slide, photographs of actual optical fibers are shown. Optical fiber cable is constructed of hundreds of optical fiber strands, or we can say even thousands of optical fiber strands which are shown in these particular cables. And all these fiber strands, they are combined in a single cover or in a single cable. We call it as optical fiber cable. For proper connection and for proper identification purpose, all these optical fibers are grouped with particular colors. In this last and fourth diagram, actually this is a premium type cable, which is triple jacket and double armor type optical fiber cable. In this figure, typical illustration of optical fiber is shown. The actual optical fibers, they are packed into these buffer tubes, and also these buffer tubes, they are given by particular colors for proper identification. At center, there is a central strength member which provides the inner strength to this optical cable. Here, all these buffer tubes, they are properly packed with the help of this filler material. Then these buffer tubes and filler material are properly covered with the help of this inner jacket. Again, this inner jacket, it is properly covered by this armor cover, and above all this structure, it is properly covered with this outer jacket, which provides the full and proper strength, safety and security to this optical fiber cable. Friends, as you know that all these optical fibers, they are constructed from either plastic or glass materials, and both these materials, they are having some particular characteristics. So let's go through the basic characteristics of plastic fiber. Of course, plastic and this glass materials, they are both very cheap and easily available on this earth. So if we talk about this optical fiber, they are constructed with the help of plastic material, then we can say these fibers, they are used for short run or short distance applications. Then these plastic fibers, they are having higher attenuation as compared to glass materials. But these optical fibers, they are easy to install. They are also having better withstand stress and strain. One important advantage is that they are having less expensive or low cost. And finally, we can say these plastic fibers, they are having 60% less weight as compared to glass fibers. Now, if we talk about basic characteristics of glass fibers, then we don't need to go through other slides. All the above points we can modify. As the first point, like these glass fibers, they are used for long run or long distance applications. About second point, glass fibers, they are having low attenuations. Also, they are not easy to install. That means installation is somewhat tough in case of glass fibers. Also, the stress withstanding ability of glass fiber, it is less as compared to plastic fibers. Next, we can say glass fibers are not less expensive. Instead, they are more expensive than plastic fibers. And finally, it is very clear that glass fibers, they are having 60% more weight as compared to plastic fibers. So all these are the comparative and basic characteristics of glass fibers and plastic fibers. So let's stop here. Thank you very much.